Hello everybody, Jason Navani here at Highland Construction. Today is demo day on Renovate, Alaska. And I'm in a home here in Anchorage that's about 50 years old. And it's a small home, about 885 square feet with a garage, attached garage. And we are starting the demo today. And as you can see behind me, we've already got the old metal kitchen cabinetry out along with the countertops. So yeah, so I'm doing some minor demo work here. This is the kitchen. I think that's probably the original paint color that was here 50 years ago when it was painted. But so we got asbestos floors in here. So Alaska Demo is going to be coming in on Monday to do the abatement. So there's it's pretty interesting, but there's some wood paneling here we're going to save on this wall right here. We're going to stain this, sand this down and restain this, make it look nice and new. And then we got this fireplace here as well. This is going to remain in place, but a new mantle is going in here. This room right here is the mechanical room. This all goes away. It's going to become we're going to put a combo boiler system in here, and probably leaning towards baseboard heat. Again, all this comes out. This is going to become an ADA compliant home. This is a bedroom here, hall. We got an office down there, and then we've got another bedroom right in here. Light should switch on here. Yeah, we got this is another bedroom for. This is for a World War II veteran. It's almost 102 years old. It's amazing living history. But we're going to make this an ADA compliant home with pocket doors here. And again, this is the bathroom. This is going to be an ADA compliant bathroom with a pocket door here and a wheelchair accessible shower in here, which would be really, really nice for them too. So, but that's it for this one on the initial demo day on Renovate Alaska.